Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama. It is the late afternoon, early evening of April the 12th, and it is about 45 degrees out here. Wind's blowing as lately it has been. We got the little birds pretty well set. We got all kinds of clean water. We got game bird crumbles over there. We got all kinds of seeds and grains, and we got some greens. We'll replenish the greens before I go in the morning. And we've got some mealworms for protein and some thistle seed there, but still no eggs. Whoa. Whoopsies. Fumble. Okay, is it gonna come back? There it goes. Anyway, sorry about that. The little birds are all acting pretty healthy, pretty happy. May's not whining and cooing like she was, and she's looking pretty much the way she always has. Tail feathers aren't all poked out like they were, but still no eggs. I have looked over this coop, every inch of it. No eggs. Not sure what the heck's going on there. But anyway, one day I'll see an egg. Here's Georgie getting his last bit of freedom before he gets stuck inside. Okay, well, everyone looks happy, healthy, and accounted for. So, lots of water and food. They should be good. So, anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great night and a great few days. Bye for now.